VLOOKUP confuses a lot of people. Let me show you exactly how it works right now. I have students' name in column B and their scores in column C. So I'm going to use VLOOKUP to find students like marks. For example, I'll type equal signs, VLOOKUP, open brackets. VLOOKUP requires 4 things only. 1, lookup value, table array, column index number, and then range lookup. Let me explain. What is lookup value? Lookup value is a value that I'm looking for. In this example, I'm looking for Ammon, so I select Ammon. I put a comma. Number 2, the table array. Table array is where Ammon and the marks of all the scores for the students are found. This is the whole of this table. That is table array. I have to make it fixed if it is not an official Excel table, but if it is an official Excel table, I just have to select the table. I put a comma. Column index number. What does column index number mean? I put a 2 because column 2 is where my results are going to be expected from. I'm looking for marks, and marks are in column 2. Names are in column 1 and the marks are in column 2. That's why I'm putting a 2 here. If the marks were in column 3, I'll put a 3 here. If anything you expect is in any other column, you put that number as the column index number. Then lastly, range lookup. I put a comma and then I select exact match. I need exact match. I will explain in another video where we need an approximate match, but in this case I need an exact match. I tap enter and boo, the marks for Ammon are there. And when you look here, Ammon has, where is Ammon, has 92. Then I can also change the names here. For example, I can put Alan. I put Alan, tap enter, boo, Alan has 68 and 68 is here. When I put Aaron, Aaron has 90 and 90 comes. So that's how we find student scores automatically using VLOOKUP. Only 4 things needed: lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. Thanks for watching. Look out for more tips.